So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover how to claim your credits for the GenAI Academy APAC edition. Okay, you must have seen the video related to the Master GenAI course, which is free of cost for all the learners. In case you haven't seen it and how to register, just simply check out the video. I've shared the link in the description. Now once you have signed in, means once you have registered in this program, your dashboard will look like this. For getting credits, here we have to do some labs. Okay, for getting credits you have to simply come to the roadmap page. Here you can see it's asking to share our skills boost profile. So for that, just click on this form. Okay, now here you have to enter the email with which you have registered in this event, and here you have to share your skills boost profile. Now most of you may be wondering that can we use the same account or not. So if you don't have a skills boost account, you have to simply use the traditional method. If you want, you can use the email password and simply do it, or you can simply just sign in with Google if you already have an account. Okay, even though if you don't have account, you can click on it. It will just sign in with your prefetched ID. Okay, now here please pay attention that by default this dashboard will open. Okay, when you will create an account, then simply from here go to the settings. And from here, by default, your profile won't be public. So simply you have to click on this checkbox and update settings. After that, you will see this URL. You have to simply click on right click and then simply update the profile and simply add the email over here. In my case, the email and skills boost profile email is same. So I'm just adding it and just submitting it. Okay, just click on submit. So once you have submitted, it will take around 24 to 48 hours for the credits mail to come. Okay, you have to simply wait for it. And once you get the credits, you can start earning the badges over here. Most common doubts are there. Can we use the same account for this program, means with which you have participated in the Arcade program? Can we use any old account also? So there is no limitation. You can use old account also, new account also. There is no limitation. Okay, I hope it clears your doubt. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead. If you are interested in Qwiklabs Arcade program, you can check the video description. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.